Ronald Bakak, Deputy Resident District Commissioner, brought attention to this alarming trend, highlighting instances where court clerks seized clients' files in a blatant display of corruption, attempting to extort bribes. He cited a specific case where a suspect, upon approaching his office, was remanded to Ndorwa government prison. However, each time the suspect appeared in court, his file mysteriously went missing.
As the government of Uganda, we emphasize justice. But in most cases, this justice is not denied by the judicial officers, for example, resident judge up to the level of the magistrates. But where we are getting a lot of problem, there is a very high corruption amongst the court clerks and secretaries. Those people are not doing us a favor, whereby they are denying people to get justice because of corruption. For example, when you don't pay them money, your file you will not see your file. They will decide to hide your file until you pay them.
Bakak emphasized that such actions lead to a denial of justice and called for the equivocal condemnation of such corrupt practices.
Some people are not fair because they are tortured, they are robbed, but they keep quiet. If someone asks you money for a service, come to our office. That's why those who have expressed their concerns within the office of RDC, we have helped, and we have helped very many.
In a similar vein, Justice Muhanji, an advocate at Muhanji Company Advocates, expressed dismay at the unfortunate prevalence of corruption among court clerks. He urged the judiciary to take decisive action against the misconduct. Muhanji emphasized the significance of the court open day as it serves to scrutinize the workings of the judiciary as a system.
The question of court clerks requesting for money is very unfortunate. We therefore request all members of the public who know these court officials or clerks who ask for money, who seek for bribes, to come forward with evidence so that they can be worked upon by the judiciary.
Responding to the raised concerns, Dr. Flavia Zeja, the principal judge of the High Court of Uganda, attributed the surge in corruption among court clerks to the public's failure to report corrupt officials within the judiciary. He urged the public to openly report any corrupt judicial officials, emphasizing the importance of judicial officers understanding the societal context in which they operate.
The mental problem in this country, a very big problem. You are here, you have problems, and I know any of these clerks must have asked you for money. And you are here, but you don't want to say so.
Zeja stressed that judicial officers should not confine themselves to their chambers, but should also play a supervisory role over their staff. He committed to finding viable solutions to address corrupt court clerks.
Understand the public you serve. I know sometimes, like some of you young judicial officers, you have grown up in our homes, you are our children, maybe you grew up seeing the only time you know there is a problem in the house is when there is no bread in the fridge, but at least you know it can be gotten here at the supermarket. You don't know that people suffer.
The public has often openly voiced concerns about corrupt court officials, particularly during open court days. Effectively combating corruption within the judicial system requires collaborative effort to ensure the fair and efficient delivery of justice to all.